Hey guys, how's it going? In this series of videos, we'll learn how to create a Facebook Messenger chatbot. First, let me show you guys what we are building, and then we can learn how to put this all together. This chatbot will help user resize the images. The flow is quite straightforward. First, user will upload the image, then the chatbot will ask for the width and height of the image. Then the chatbot will resize the image and send the image back to the user. Let me show you guys how it looks like. Okay, I'll upload the image. By the way, I can also talk to this bot. I'll show that later. So it is asking me to provide the width and height in this format here. So what I'll do is, as you can see, this is like a pretty big image. I will say 150 by 100. And now the bot will get the image, process the image. Yep, there we go, and have fun. All right, so this is it, and the other thing the chatbot will do is it will also understand few of the greetings. There isn't any AI, or something like that. It just we have a list of I have a list of the greetings in a list, and then it will evaluate if the user input is on that list, and if it's on that list, then we'll say hi there. If I say something that the bot doesn't understand, it will say, please be patient with me, I'm still learning. I only know how to resize the image, please upload the image. So I think while creating a chatbot, it's always a good idea to give a clear message to the user. The chatbot, even if it's a nonsense should always reply. So the chatbot shouldn't be hanging or it shouldn't be silent at all, because the user will just leave the chatbot, like, screw this, I'll go somewhere else. So there are few steps involved in creating this chatbot. So the first thing is, on the Facebook side, we need to create a Facebook application, and we also need to create a Facebook page and tie those two together. So right now I'm interacting with the Facebook page, test page 1. So when I say chatbot, mainly what I'm doing is I'm actually communicating with the Facebook page, right? And the chatbot sits on the Facebook page. Also, we'll go through this together. And the other step is we need to create a webbook in Python and Flux. We can do it in any other language, but for this series I'm choosing like Python. Webbook is like basically means webbook is a way for an application to communicate with another application in real time. So whenever a user messages our chatbot, the Facebook sends an event to our webbook. The event will might have a few different things depending on what kind of message the user sends. So if it's a image, the Facebook will send image URL and all sort of things to the webbook. If it's just a text, the Facebook will just send a text on the webbook, and the webbook will make a decision based on the event. So if it's just a text, we look for if the text falls under our greetings list. If it falls on the greeting list, then we reply hi there. If it falls on the image, then we ask for the size of the image, and then we run the resize logic and then send the image back to the user. And that's it basically. All right, so stay tuned. I want to keep this tutorial as much interactive as possible. So if there's any issues or concern, or if you ever get stuck, I hope not, just smash that comment section below, and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. See you on the next one.